Unit 10 Obsessions. Are you obsessed with anything in life? Crazy about? Do you have any obsessions that annoy other people? Do you have any craze for something? How long have you had craze for computer games, if you have? Do you have any familiar parish priest, clergyman, or vicar? Are you determined to succeed in English? Can you easily give other people a resolute refusal? When did you last redecorate the kitchen, bathroom? Do you like to put up the wallpaper? Have you ever been a graduate student? What's your attitude to graduate school? If you're a woman, have you ever given birth to a child? Did you graduate with honors? Do you like to take a walk at dawn or at dusk? Why? Do you like to run through to read scripts for TV series? Have you ever been awarded for literary merits? What do you call a work of a high artistic merit? Could you give any examples? Who's your favorite actor or actress? Do they have a star fever, star syndrome? Do you try to be trendy and stylish? How often do you have to modify your plans? Do you like it? What's your attitude to convertible cars? What's your attitude to a fake fur, leather? Have you ever done anything in exchange for something? Like barter? Do you know any influential politicians or maybe people in general? If fame is a matter of being known by influential people, then somebody is certainly famous. Do you agree with that? Do you have a variable character like weather? Moody, yeah? Do you wear it ponytail? All right. What's your attitude? Do you like to watch some heavily autobiographical documentaries about some celebrities or maybe scientists? Have you ever auditioned for any role or any part? Are there many security cameras in your office? Why? Do people usually ignore you when recognize you? Why? Have you ever neglected your opportunities because you were not in a mood for doing something? If you're a man, do you look rugged? Are you rugged? What's your attitude to unconventional, rugged good looks? Like Dennis Woodruff. Remember the guy? Do you want to make the big time one day? Do you like to give somebody a break? Have you ever promoted a website? Is it easy for you to turn somebody or something down, to decline, to refuse, to reject? Would you like to own a mobile home? What does you credit? Could you give some examples? Can you make a living? How old were you when you could make a living? Do you know how to set up a tent? Are you sometimes thoughtless? Okay, we are activating word building from workbook page 60, so be careful. All right, is it easy to agree with you, and rather you like to disagree all the time? Are you an agreeable, likable person? Are you diligent with your projects, or rather careless? Do you try to be hopeful and optimistic to others? Or people can notice a lot of hopelessness and despair in your eyes. Do you agree that you need to be cruel, a little bit cruel or pitiless, to be kind? Okay, what are you interested more, the humanities, the liberal arts, or the science? Do you want to succeed? Would you like to exceed your chief? Can you sometimes be cheeky and rude at work? How is professional courtesy important for you? Are you sometimes helpless at work? If some people ask for help, can you be unhelpful to them? Do you often have some misunderstandings? Do you always try to be understandable and comprehensible to other people? What's the difference between tasty and tasteful? Can you give some example? Do you like some tasteless or insipid meals? What do you have a distaste for? Do you have a strong distaste for white chocolate, for example? Have you ever done anything illegal? Is illegality important for you? Do you like to rely on simple and clear logic in your behavior and life conclusions? Do you like cold logic in a relationship? Is your day stressful today? All right. Similarity, what's the synonym? Have you ever misused anything? Have people ever talked about you that your behavior is unlike you? When was it? Can you immediately catch some likeness between people? Do you like to give some comment on anything? Do you like to read some movie review before watching it? Is there a fireplace in your house, apartment? Do you usually get some wrapping paper to wrap the birthday present? Do you like to carry a shopping cart with you when you shop in some mall? Do you collect anything? Are you a collector? Can you say that you have an immaculate, spotless reputation at work? Well, do you have some memorabilia? Well, that's it with the unit. In social English, it's the idea of giving quantity, expressing quantity. So such words as too much, a few, any, how many, as much as, some, enough, as many as, etc. So I will try to ask you some questions and try to react from page 81, from your memory, trying to use these quantity expressions. How much coffee do you usually drink? That's, what do you say? That's too much, right? If you said 6 cups a day, for instance. Do we have any sugar? Yes, but not enough. We need some more. How much do you earn? Try to remember the answer. How many people are there in your class? 40. Your reaction, I think that's. How many aspirins do you usually take when you have a headache? About 4 or 5. That's. What's the answer? You shouldn't take as. How old are you? 17. I'm old enough to get married, but not old enough to vote, right? A weird situation. When did you last go to the movies? Pretty recently. Just a few days ago. Do you take milk in your coffee? Just? Okay. So that's it for today. Wish you good luck and good mood. Take care.